Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking standard first subject science. Standard first subject science. So today we will discuss lesson number 13, new terms. Lesson number 13, new terms. What is our lesson number 13? TRANSPORT, transport. TRANSPORT, transport. TRANSPORT, transport. TRANSPORT, transport. Yes, all these new terms you will learn. Okay, you should know all the spellings of this all these words. Okay, then only it will be easy for you to read the lesson and to write the question answers. Transport. What is transport? Transport means to move from one place to another. Yes, we will use different types of transport. To move from one place to another, we use different types of transport. Now you will come to school every day, no? Your parents will drop you. Yes, how you are coming with your parents? On your parents' vehicle. Yes, that is your transport. Your mummy will, sometime you will come with your mummy on scooty. Sometime your daddy will drop you in car or his motorbike. Yes, so that is our transport. Yes, we use to move from one place to another. We use different types of transport. To go to long distances, we take bus. To go to very long distances from one state to another state, if you want to go to meet your friend who is in another state, or your relatives who are in another living in another state, will use train. If it is very long distances, we use aeroplanes also. Yes, so all these are means of transport. We used to move from one place to another. We won't be in one place only. If any functions are going on, if any marriages are there, if any wedding is going on, they will invite us. Then we take different types of transport to reach that place. New terms. TRAVEL, travel. Travel means moving from one place to another. Sometimes we travel for short distances. For sometimes we travel long distances. To from your home to school, it will be short distance. Yes, from your school, from your house to your relative or neighbor house, short distance. But to go to other state, other cities, we use long distances. No, it is very long distances. So different types of transport we use for short distance, and different types of transport we use to travel for long distance. Travel means moving from one place to another. TRANSPORT, transport. TRANSPORT, transport means different types of vehicles we use to move from one place to another. That is our transport. To travel from one place to another, we use vehicles. Yes, we use vehicles like bus, car, train, aeroplane. Yes, all these are our means of transport to move from one place to another. So what is that? Transport. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. To move to long distances, we use aeroplane. Yes, so that we reach in short time. If we go by train from Hyderabad to Delhi, it will take 1 day. Yes, for us, 1 day. Today morning, if we travel in train, start today morning, next day morning we will reach Delhi. But if we use aeroplane, within 1.5 hours or within 1 hour, we will be in Delhi airport. Yes, so long distances, and it will take short time. Aeroplane we use when we move to long distances, and it will complete in short time. Aeroplane. LAND, land. TRANSPORT, transport. Land, transport. LAND, land. TRANSPORT, port. Land, transport. What is land transport? The vehicles which move on land is known as land transport. The vehicles which move on land is known as land transport. Scooty, bus, car, truck, where all this will move on land, on road. Yes, land means on road, so it is known as land transport. The vehicles which move on road, on land is known as land transport. Bus moves on land, your mummy's scooty on land, your daddy's motorbike or car on land, van, all these move on land, so they are known as land transport. AIR, 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 TRANSPORT, transport, AIR, air, TRANS, trans, PORT, port, transport, air transport, aeroplane, helicopter are air transport, the vehicles that move in air, the traveling air is known as air transport. Aeroplane, where it will move on road? No, it moves in air. No, it will carry people and goods from one place to another place in air. It will move in air. So they are known as air transport. The vehicles which move in air is known as air transport. Helicopter, aeroplane, no, it moves in air. WATER, 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 TRANS, trans, PORT, port, transport, WATER, water, TRANS, trans, PORT, port, water transport. What is water transport? The vehicles which move in water is known as water transport. Ship, where it moves in water. No, boat, where it moves? Water. No, ship, boat, yacht, all this moves in water. You saw ship moving on road? No, ship moves in water. Ship will be very big. It will carry people and also goods from one place to another. It will move in rivers. It will move in big oceans. So, ship. Water transport is the vehicles that move in water. Move on water. The vehicles that move on water, known as water transport. RAIL, rail. RAIL, rail. TRANS, PORT, transport, rail transport, RAIL, rail, TRANS, PORT, port, rail transport. What is rail transport? The vehicles that move on rails. What are rails? Railway track. No, we have rails where the train moves. The train will move on land, but it will have different types of tracks. On that track only it will move. Like bus, car, it will move on the road. No, we should lay rails for that. No, tracks, so that the train, metro train, it will move on rails. It will move on track. They are known as rail transport. Rail transport like train and metro trains. MOTOR, motor. CYCLE, cycle, motorcycle, motorbike. Your daddy will use bike, that is motorbike, motorcycle. MOTOR, motor. CYCLE, cycle, where this motorcycle will move on road, no, on land. RICKSHAW, rickshaw. RICKSHAW, rickshaw. You all know rickshaw? Yes, you used a rickshaw. Show you, wait. Yes, this is rickshaw. Nowadays, rarely you can see this. Yes, this is motorcycle. Yes, motorcycle or motorbike we call. Yes, motorcycle or motorbike. Your daddy will use this. This is what? Rickshaw. Yes, to move for short distances we use rickshaws also. Yes, and what is this last one? Auto rickshaw. Auto, no? Auto rickshaw. This is only rickshaw and this is auto rickshaw. Rickshaw, auto rickshaw, motorcycle, bus, cycle. What is this? Truck. All these vehicles move on land, no, on road. They are known as road transports. All this truck, cycle, bus, motorcycle, rickshaw, auto rickshaw, all these move on road. RICKSHAW, rickshaw. RICKSHAW, rickshaw. AUTO auto, AUTO auto, RICKSHAW rickshaw, auto rickshaw, AUTO auto, AUTO auto, RICKSHAW rickshaw, auto rickshaw. Next, HELICOPTER helicopter, HELICOPTER helicopter. Helicopter is a vehicle that moves in air, that moves in air. It will not move in water, it will not move on land. It will take off and it will move in air, it will travel in air. Helicopter. DRIVER driver, DRIVER driver. For every vehicle we have driver. Yes, who will drive the bus? Bus driver will be there to drive the bus. Yes, van driver will be there to drive van. In all the vehicles, in aeroplanes also we have pilots to drive, in train also we have driver, engine driver to drive the train. So in all the vehicles we have drivers, no? So that these drivers will help us to move from one place to another safely. They will take us, no, from one place to another place safely. CONDUCTOR conductor. Where this conductor will be? In bus, no? He will collect tickets. He will, if we pay money to him, he will give us ticket. Which place he want to go, if we should say to this conductor, he will give ticket to us. Driver and conductor, they will be in bus. CONDUCTOR conductor, CONDUCTOR conductor. TICKET ticket, TICKET ticket. COLLECTOR collector, ticket collector. In trains we have ticket collectors, no? They will come and check our tickets. We will buy ticket and we will sit in train. After some time you can see a ticket collector. He will come and he will check our tickets. TICKET ticket, TICKET ticket. COLLECTOR collector. In bus also, yes, sometimes in bus also these ticket collectors, they will climb and they will start checking our tickets, whether we have taken ticket or not. MECHANIC mechanic. Who is a mechanic? One who repairs the vehicles. If your daddy's bike is not working, if your daddy's car is not moving, it's not proper, not in good condition, it's not able to move, what we will do? We will take them to mechanic. Mechanic is a person who take care of our vehicles, who repairs our vehicles, who repairs our vehicle. MECHANIC mechanic. PILOT. Who is this pilot? One who drives the aeroplane is known as pilot. Yes, one who drives the bus, driver. Bus driver, van driver. Yes, one who drives the aeroplane is known as pilot, not driver. No, he is a pilot. PILOT pilot. AIR air, AIR air. HOSTESS air hostess. Who is air hostess? Yes, in aeroplane we can see them. They will give instructions to us. Yes, you saw, no? In while watching cartoon also, when we take the aeroplane, no, when we go inside the aeroplane, we can see air hostess standing and giving instructions to us, which place we should sit, and when it is taking off, they will give instruction to us to tie the belt, no, and they will take care of us in aeroplane. They will take care of, if we are in need of anything, we can ask them. So air hostess are the people who take care of us in aeroplane. They will be in aeroplane. Where they will be? Air hostess, they will be in aeroplane. They will take care of us in aeroplane. AIR air, HOSTESS hostess, air hostess. CAPTAIN captain, CAPTAIN captain. One who drives the ship is known as captain. One who drives the bus, driver. One who drives aeroplane, pilot. In the same way, one who drives the ship, big ship. In that ships, no, they will carry people and also lots of luggage from one place to another in water. Ships will move in water. So one who drives ship is known as captain. One who drives ship is known as captain. CAPTAIN, captain. CAPTAIN, captain. ENGINE, engine. ENGINE, engine. DRIVER, driver. Engine, driver. ENGINE, engine. DRIVER, driver. Engine, driver. Who is this engine driver? One who drives train is known as engine driver. One who drives train. Where he will be sitting in engine. Yes, for train in front. What will be there? Engine will be there. In that engine, the driver will sit and he will drive. He is known as engine driver. One who drives bus, van is known as driver. Yes. One who drives aeroplane is known as pilot. One who drives ship is known as captain. Ship is known as captain. One who drives train. Train is known as engine driver. Yes. One who drives train is known as engine driver, because in front you can see first engine will be there. After that only all the boxes, no? So in that engine, this driver will sit and drive the train. So he is known as engine driver. Bus driver, driver. Pilot, aeroplane driver. Captain means ship. One who drives the ship. One who drives aeroplane is known as pilot. One who drives ship is known as captain. One who drives train, engine driver. HORNS, horns. HORNS, horns. For all the vehicles we have on. On means sound. Yes. If somebody is in front, no, what we will do? We will sound. No, we will make the sound. If we want someone to move, what we will do? We will put the horn. No, we will make the sound of horn. Yes, horn sound. HORNS, horns means in all the vehicles we have sound. In bus also you can see, no, bus driver will have horn. Now it will be very big sound comes out of that. So horns. TRAFFIC, traffic. TRAFFIC, traffic. POLICE, police. Traffic police. Who is this traffic police? One who controls traffic on the road. If this traffic police is not there, yes, all the vehicles will be jammed and it will be in one place. No, 2 hours together it will not move. But what this traffic police will do, he will control the traffic. If from one side traffic is coming, he will allow one side and he will stop another side. No, he will ask them to stop, and this side people he will ask them to move. After some time, this side people he will stop and ask this side people to move. If traffic police is very important to control the traffic. If anyone break traffic rules, what he will do? What they will do? They will collect money from them. No, they will charge them. Traffic police. Traffic light. TRAFFIC, traffic. LIGHT, light. Traffic light. Yes. Who will be there near traffic light? Traffic policeman will be standing near the traffic light. If anyone don't follow traffic signals, he will fine them. He will put fine to the people. Traffic police. Traffic light. Yes, 3 lights will be there. Which color lights? Red, green and yellow. Red means stop. In traffic signal, if you see red light, that means you should stop. You should not move. Green light means you can go. Yellow light means you should be ready. Yes, you should be ready. After yellow light, you will get green light. So, when yellow light comes, you should be ready to move. Then after green light comes, we will move. Understood? That is traffic signal. 3 colors will be there. Red means stop. Yellow means be ready. Green means go. That is traffic light. Traffic light is very important to control the traffic. VEHICLES, vehicles. VEHICLES, vehicles. What are vehicles? All these are known as vehicles only. Bus, car, train, aeroplane, ship. All these are vehicles. Yes. vehicles. Some vehicles move on land, some vehicles move in air, some vehicles move on water. No, some vehicles move on rail, like metro train and train, they move on rails. So all are known as vehicles. Pedestrian, pedestrian. Pedestrian, pedestrian means one who walks on the road, one who want to cross the road. Cross the road. When you should cross the road? When the pedestrian light is green, then you should cross the road. I will show you, wait, in your textbook. See, these are rails, no? The where the train is moving, the train is moving on rail. These are known as rails. Pedestrian means people who walk on the road. Pedestrian means the people who walk on the road. People who walk on the road. See, they are pedestrian. When the pedestrian light, you can see here, symbol is given here, red and green. If the pedestrian light is green, then you can cross the road. If the pedestrian light is red, you should not cross. You should not cross the road. On main roads, on big roads, we have the pedestrian lights. See, when the pedestrian light is green, you can cross the road. And you should cross at zebra crossing only. See, black and white stripes are there. What are these known as? Zebra crossing. You should cross the road on the zebra crossing, and when the pedestrian light is green. If the pedestrian light is red, you should wait. You should not cross. See, here also they are crossing, no? When the light is green, you should cross the road, and you should use zebra crossing to cross the road. You should use zebra crossing to cross the road. Emergency, emergency. Emergency. Vehicles, vehicles, emergency vehicles. Emergency. Vehicles, vehicles, emergency vehicles. What are these emergency vehicles? Like ambulance, yes, police van, fire engine, all these are emergency vehicles. If we want them, we will call to them and immediately they will come. Yes, if someone is sick, we will call to ambulance, no? Then immediately they will come to save that sick person. So these are emergency vehicles like ambulance, policeman, fire engine. If any place catches fire, we will call to fire engine. Fire engine will come with fireman and a tank full of water to put off the fire. So emergency, if any place is in emergency, we will call immediately to these emergency vehicles. Ambulance, police van and fire engine are known as emergency vehicles. Anyone can call, anyone can call. If any place is catching fire, immediately those who see, no, immediately they will call to fire engine. They will come with fireman and a tank full of water to put off the fire to help us. These emergency vehicles are for us to help. These emergency vehicles are working for us to help people. Ambulance. Ambulance. Ambulance is a ambulance. If any person is sick, we will call to hospital. No, we will call to ambulance driver. They will come with ambulance to save sick people. And where they will take? They will take them to hospital. They will take them to hospital. 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 Ambulance, how it will come? It will come very fast with a sound, no? Yes, if anyone is sick, they will come fast and they will take that sick person to hospital immediately. Hospital. Hospital. Who will be there in ambulance? Ambulance driver will be there, and also one nurse will be there to take care of the sick patient. Immediately they will put that sick patient in van and nurse will take care of the sick patient till they reach hospital. When they reach hospital, their doctors will take care of them. Ambulance. AMBULANCE, ambulance. HOSPITAL, hospital. When we are sick, where we will go? We will go to hospital. And who will take care of us in hospital? Nurse and doctor will give us medicines. Yes. HOSPITAL, hospital. POLICE, police. VAN, van. POLICE, police. VAN, van. Yes, policeman. Who will use this police van? Police person. Yes, police van is used by police people. No, if any house, if somebody has come and steal something from our house, any robbery in our neighborhood house, what we will do? We will immediately call to this police person. He will come with police van. Yes, very fast they will come to help us. FIRE, fire. ENGINE, engine, fire engine. FIRE, fire. ENGINE, engine, fire engine. What is this fire engine? If any place catches fire, we will call to fire engine. No, the people will come, fire people will come with tank full of water to put off the fire. Yes, if we don't put off the fire, what will happen? The fire will spread and it will cause damage to many of our houses. So this fire people, they will come with fire engine very fast and they will put off the fire so that it will not spread. So all these are what? Emergency vehicles. When we call, immediately they will come for our help, like ambulance, police van, and PETROL, petrol. PETROL, petrol. Yes, petrol and diesel is a fuel that we use in our vehicles. Yes, we use petrol and diesel in our vehicles so that it will move. If we don't put petrol, diesel in our vehicles, it will not move. So petrol and diesel is a fuel that we use in our vehicles. Now, you take your classwork and you will write all these new terms neatly in your classwork. We will read once again. See the board and learn how to read the new terms. You should be able to read and also you should be able to say these all new terms without seeing. You should learn these new terms. Okay, once again shall we read? Come on, see. TRAVEL, travel. TRAVEL, travel. TRAVEL, travel. TRAVEL, travel. TRANSPORT, transport. TRANSPORT, transport. TRANSPORT, transport. AEROPLANE, aeroplane. Read along with me. You should see the board and you should read. AERO, aeroplane, plane, aeroplane. LAND, 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 land. TRANSPORT, transport. LAND, land. TRANSPORT, port, transport. Land, transport. AIR, 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 air. TRANSPORT, port, transport. A, transport. AIR, air. TRANSPORT, port, transport. A, transport. WATER, water. WATER, water. TRANSPORT, port, water, transport. WATER, water. TRANSPORT, port, water, transport. RAIL, rail. RAIL, rail. TRANS, trans. TRANS, trans. PORT, port, transport. Rail, transport. RAIL, rail. TRANSPORT, transport. Rail, transport. MOTOR, motor. MOTOR, motor. CYCLE, cycle. Motorcycle. MOTOR, motor. M-O-T-O-R, motor. C-Y-C-L-E, cycle, motorcycle. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw. Are you reading with me? Yes, read. Then only you will learn. A-U-T-O, auto. A-U-T-O, auto. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw, auto rickshaw. A-U-T-O, auto. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W, rickshaw, auto rickshaw. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. D-R-I-V-E-R, driver. D-R-I-V-E-R, driver. D-R-I-V-E-R, driver. C-O-N-D-U-C-T-O-R, conductor. C-O-N-D-U-C-T-O-R, conductor. C-O-N-D-U-C-T-O-R, conductor. T-I-C-K-E-T, ticket. T-I-C-K-E-T, ticket. T-I-C-K-E-T, ticket. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-O-R, collector. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-O-R, collector. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-O-R, collector, ticket collector. M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C, mechanic. M-E-C-H-A-N-I-C, mechanic. P-I-L-O-T, pilot. P-I-L-O-T, pilot. P-I-L-O-T, pilot. A-I-R, air. H-O-S-T-E-S-S, hostess, air hostess. A-I-R, air. H-O-S-T-E-S-S, H-O-S-T-E-S-S, hostess, air hostess. C-A-P-T-A-I-N, captain. C-A-P-T-A-I-N, captain. C-A-P-T-A-I-N, captain. E-N-G-I-N-E, engine. E-N-G-I-N-E, engine. E-N-G-I-N-E, engine. D-R-I-V-E-R, driver. D-R-I-V-E-R, driver. D-R-I-V-E-R, driver, engine, driver. E-N-G-I-N-E, engine. D-R-I-V-E-R, driver, engine, driver. H-O-R-N-S, horns. H-O-R-N-S, horns. T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic. T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic. P-O-L-I-C-E, police, traffic, police. T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic. P-O-L-I-C-E, police. P-O-L-I-C-E, police, traffic, police. T-R-A-F-F-I-C, traffic. L-I-G-H-T, light. L-I-G-H-T, light, traffic light. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, vehicles. P-E-D-E-S-T-R-I-A-N, pedestrian. P-E-D-E-S-T-R-I-A-N, pedestrian. P-E-D-E-S-T-R-I-A-N, pedestrian. E-M-E-R-G-E-N-C-Y, emergency. E-M-E-R-G-E-N-C-Y, emergency. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, vehicles. V-E-H-I-C-L-E-S, vehicles, emergency vehicles. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E, ambulance. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Police, police. VAN, van, police van. POLICE, police. VAN, van, police van. FIRE, fire. FIRE, fire. ENGINE, engine. ENGINE, engine. Fire engine. FIRE, fire. ENGINE, engine. Fire engine. PETROL, petrol. PETROL, petrol. PETROL, petrol. Now what is your homework? You will write all these new terms in your classwork with good and neat handwriting. HW, WRITE, write. NEW, new. TERMS, terms. IN, in. CW. You will write these new terms in your classwork and learn all these new terms. Okay. Now take out your classwork and start writing. You will write lesson number, lesson heading in the first 4 lines. You will write the name of the lesson in first 4 lines. Okay. Lesson number 13 on the red line. Lesson name in the first 4 lines. Then new terms. Then start writing. You will divide the paper into 2 equal halves. Yes. Draw one line in between. You will divide the paper into 2 equal halves and you will write both the sides. If 30 words are not in one paper, you can use another paper. If all 30 words are you are not able to write all 30 words in one paper, you can go to second paper. Draw one center line and both the sides you will write. Okay, how you are going to write? Write it neatly. All the first letters of new terms are capital letters. All the first letters are capital letters. So touch the red line and write. Touch the red line and write. And when you are writing, you will read each and every letter and say the word TRAVEL, travel. Say and write. After writing, you will put finger and read each word 5 times. Yes, each word 5 times. You should know all these spellings. Okay, words or whatever words, 30 words are given. Know all these 30 words spellings you should be able to read. Okay, say also. So read each and every word and complete your classwork with good and neat handwriting. Yes, write all these 30 new terms in your classwork with good and neat handwriting. After that you will read. You will learn all the new terms so that it will be easy for you to read the lesson. Thank you children. Complete your work with good and neat handwriting.